Hello everyone. Every week we have a Gladinet Cloud Enterprise release, and once in a while there are some web portal user interface changes. So today we're going to talk about the web portal look and feel for this month. So as we log in, this is the cluster admin view. So if you are using the service provider option, you're going to see the cluster manager. Otherwise, you'll be seeing the tenant manager if you are using the enterprise option. So you can see that the menu has been changed to the left panel. So you can open and close the left navigation panel by clicking on the navigation menu on the top left. So here are the branding. There are some more branding options here. You can brand the Android client and iOS client. There are some instructions on how to do so. There's also email service and now the cluster server farm. Cluster server farm is the concept of having multiple servers to have a bigger server farm. For the cluster info, you can also see that the reports and other information related to the cluster you have here. So we can also take a look at the cluster setting. The most important one in cluster setting is the client version manager. So you can push out the Windows client in an automatic way. There's also languages. So you could, for the languages we don't ship, then you could create those language files on your own. So now with that said, you can take a look now at the web portal, the normal web portal. So this will be what the end user will be seeing. So if the user is not an admin user, then the user may be seeing this. So what we are going to see now is the new upload interface to upload multiple files and folders. And if you remember, what we had before is there's a model dialog to if you have multiple uploads. So now instead of the multiple uploads, the upload panels, on the right hand side. So it becomes you can become an background upload. So it's uploading in the background. In the meanwhile, you can continue to do other stuff. That was done too quick, so now let's pick some bigger files so we can slow down the process. So we upload some bigger files, and you can see here, if you pay close attention to the right panel, you can see the progress and the files that are in the upload queue waiting to be uploaded. You can see the progress, and it's on the side, so you can continue to do other things on the list view, the files and folder view. So you can scroll up and down and see what the files are pending upload. And you can also minimize it, and you can see it's minimized to the bottom right. So that's the normal web portal for the normal user. So now let's continue to check out the management console. So the management console is a concept for the tenant manager. So for a normal user, that will be just what the user will see, but the user will not be able to see the management console. But if you are a tenant admin, you will be able to see the management interface. So the first one is the collaboration. So the collaboration, you can define team folders, and then you can define shared objects, and then you can define the storage manager. So there's multiple things you can do. There's also user manager. So the user manager and then guest user manager, user manager will be the regular user, guest user manager will be the guest user. And then there's also role manager, so you can define roles and assign to people. Group policy, that's more of an enterprise feature, that there are multiple settings you can set on a tenant-wide level. So you set the settings here, and then everybody in the account here will have to use the settings here. Tenant administrator, so you can define delegate administrators to help you out. The reports, you have upload report, storage report, team folder report, and audit trace, and file change log to help you troubleshooting later on. There's also an advanced, and the most important one is the Active Directory setting, the devices and the client device manager. So these are the management interface. As you can see here, the management interface, the navigation menu is also to the left-hand panel. And as usual, you can also change the theme if you want to. So that's all. That's the most recent look and feel for the web portal. Thank you.